Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making TB which is Korean braised tofu. It's packed with flavor and easy to prepare, using just a few low-cost ingredients. Let's get started. You want to use firm or extra firm tofu for this recipe. Cut into half-inch slices. Heat a generous amount of oil over medium heat. Place them in a single layer and season with salt. Leave them undisturbed for about 5 minutes. While we wait for that, let's put the sauce together, starting with soy sauce, garlic, gochugaru. Adjust to your spice level or leave it out completely. Brown sugar, black pepper, sesame seeds, 1 chopped Fresno chili with the seeds removed. This is also optional. Sesame oil, and scallions. Mix well. I added some water to loosen it a bit. Now back to the tofu. Flip them when they're golden brown. And fry for another 5 minutes for the other side. Then remove from the pan. Give the onions a head start. Add the beach mushrooms. Season with salt and stir for just a minute. Then place the tofu back in. Spread the sauce evenly. Add the rest of the onion and the sauce. Cover and simmer over medium heat for about 5 minutes. Gently toss. Then cover and simmer again for another couple of minutes. Garnish with more green onion. This tofu is meaty, savory, and a bit spicy. It's great as a side or even a snack, and it's just as tasty when it's cold. If you love tofu but running out of recipe ideas, you should try this one. And let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.